Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I was able to catch few pips in this particular gold analysis. I'll be doing a fresh analysis, but I will later show you the previous analysis that I did and was able to catch those few pips from gold. First of all, I went to a higher time frame, which is my 1 hour time frame, and watched how gold has been traded in the past few weeks and the previous time frames. From my 1 hour time frame, you identify that at this particular zone, gold is currently trading at this particular zone as a support. We have a support here for gold. Then if you watch closely, you also see that at this particular place, we have a good resistance area at this particular place. So I have to mark these 2 points and wait to see how gold will react to these particular areas. So going back to my 15 minutes time frame to have a clear view of how I'm going to trade this gold. First of all, you watch in that particular area, how is gold reacting to that particular area, and your 21 EMA, which I've been using as my kind of an indicator trend line. If you watch, gold currently broke the 21 EMA, which is my perfect indicator for this particular trading scalp trade. So if you watch here, gold broke this support and went as far as touching that particular resistance from that higher 1 hour time frame. Then in this particular zone, if you watch closely, this zone is also perfectly inclined for my 15 minutes, but I have to adjust my resistance to touch this area very well. So adjusting now to touch this area, you see that, okay, yeah, it's not getting the body of the candle. I have to lock this particular one. Let me lock it so that it won't be moving while I do the analysis. Okay, then we also adjust this one to touch the body of the candle very well. Yeah, it's not touching the bodies of the candle. Okay, we also lock that so it won't be moving. I have to change the color so we can identify and differentiate between the two. Let me use purple for this one and then use black for this upper one. Okay, now it's clear now. Okay, if you watch in this particular zone, you also see that we also have a good level that you'll be looking at. If this market successfully breaks this level too, this mid support that was later turned the resistance after gold broke with a huge red selling candle. We also lock this particular place so it won't be moving as we do analysis. So first of all, if you watch very closely in this zone, you will see that gold has now been rejected so many times from this particular resistance zone. And gold, we are looking at gold to see a good selling opportunity. So that was the reason why I have to mark this area and then watch out at this area to see a good selling opportunity. And then for my take profits, if you watch here too, you see that with my lines and this particular area is another mid support area because price traded this particular area before, and price again also respected that particular area. So which means that if price breaks this place successfully and close below this particular black line, okay, let me change the color of the line, and breaks below this yellow line, we'll be seeing price coming to this purple. And if price breaks this purple, then market will send the price down further to another level, another swing liquidity level. So at this particular place, I was able to trade this man and catch a good move. If you watch this place I did my highlights, this particular place that you see the blue EMA, that's 1934.19 now, around that zone, that was the place I was able to catch a good move on gold. And knowing fully well that gold is not doing anything possible to get back to 1936.02, I have to stack more trades knowing fully well that this is against trading rule, but at that point in time, you have to be greedy to catch that bigger move. Watch here, you see, this is for today. This is today. Went back to my MetaTrader 5. We see my daily profit is already 63.99, which was the profit I was able to make today. I first scalped a GBP buy, but I noticed that the pair was selling. That was the reason why I have to close and wait for more sell opportunity. So once I confirm my sell opportunity, I sell huge on gold and GBP. So if you watch here, you see my trees here. So I was able to cash a very, very good move on gold and GBP on both this account and my second account. So I also encourage you to keep pushing, keep pushing. It's never too late to start trading. One thing that motivates me about trading is that in trading, nobody loses. In trading, nobody loses unless you quit trading. In trading, nobody loses. You only learn a lesson when you lose. But losing now comes to how much do you lose? Are you losing everything? Are you losing parts? That is where your trading management, your money management, and your risk management comes in. Once you apply a good money management and a good money management, automatically your psychology to a great extent is also at a good state, because if you can be able to manage your money and your risk very well, I don't know if there is anything concerning psychology that you are no more doing. So I encourage you, as you train your psychology, also make sure that your money management and risk management is very, very like you take very good care of your money and the risk you take per each account. If you see a good trade, go all in, but do not put up to 50% of your account. If you must put 50% of your account, then know that you are willing to risk the whole account on that particular trade, so that if you lose it, you already know that this is what I plan to do and this is not a mistake. For this account, I'm currently using a leverage of 1:2, 1:2,000, for this particular account. That's the reason why my any movement gives much profit to me. If you want to know more about the leverage, that 1:2,000, 1:2 this one, I'll create a new video. You have to give me a comment so that I will know that you're interested in knowing what that leverage means and how it affects both your profits and your loss. See you next time. Have a nice day and trade, trade, trade to make profits. Don't trade to lose your money. See you next time. Bye bye.